I don't know if you can see that, but that right there is a crack in the rim.
Hey there, bike people. Welcome to Tuesday Tech Tips on Cyclecraft TV. This fellow right in front of me here, that's Ryan T. He's one of our head mechanics here at the shop, and he's been working on this here Cannondale all afternoon. So it looks like it's finally done, and it's looking much better than when it came in this morning.
Yeah, it looks like a new bike.
Tell me the tech tip that you had for people that you shared with me before.
So my tech tip was just to bring your bike in for regular checkups. Even if you don't really feel like anything's wrong, bring it in like twice a year. If you're riding more frequently, bring it in more. If you hear a noise while you're riding that sounds unusual, bring it in. I mean,
so Ryan, why should this customer have brought their bike in more often? What did we see right at the opening?
We found in the back wheel a crack, a couple cracks actually, and he probably never noticed it. It's something while we were cleaning the rim we noticed. If he would have kept riding on it, there's possibly the wheel would have failed.
So then our Tuesday tech tip is check your bike out more thoroughly and more often, and don't wait so long to get it done.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's what you wanted to say?
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, Ryan. That's our Tuesday Tech Tip on Cyclecraft TV for this week. It's a short and sweet one, but it's a pretty simple message. Check your bikes over before they become an expensive problem. That's pretty much it.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, man.